my complete explain your requirement. What is it that you're trying to achieve, and what is the
Actually, okay. Let's suppose there is data in this Excel sheet, right?
hmm.
So there is different kinds of sheets. So I wanted another sheet merging of these two sheets.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, that one. The
I've explained this concept in my YouTube video. The code is available in GitHub. Were you able to download the code and run the project?
I have downloaded the code, but I am unable to run it.
Oh, okay then. Uh, in that case, what you'll have to do is you'll have to install Maven. Do you have Maven on your computer?
No, no, I have to install it.
Okay. Are you a student or are you working in an IT field?
I am a student.
Okay. From where are you coming? Which state? Maharashtra?
Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Download Maven, Apache Maven, Apache. Yeah. Go to the zip file.
This one.
Correct. Download. My voice is clear now, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
Ah, okay then. Extract this into a folder. Go into that folder, bin folder. Put this in command. Java space hyphen version. Enter. So you have Java version 1.8 installed on your machine.
Yes, sir.
Type MVN space hyphen version. Uh, okay, go to environment properties and set that variable Java home. Uh, do you know where your Java is installed?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. JDK 1.8 and so select the JDK folder. Go back to the parent folder JDK. Now select move into JDK. Copy the path. Copy the path to environment variables and select the system variables called Java underscore home and double click on Java underscore home and edit that. Is my video playing in the background?
No,
Switch to a browser and see if it is still playing in the background. Close all the browser sessions.
no, it's not.
Okay. Uh, right.
Shall I paste that here?
Paste it here
Okay.
and select PATH path variable.
Which path?
PATH path variable in system variables. Scroll down. Ah, edit and add a new variable and copy and paste the bin folder of Maven folder. Maven folder, Apache Maven again, bin, and copy this folder path.
Up
Paste
to bin or the parent of.
up to bin.
Okay. Later, if I change the destination from downloads,
Change path variable as well.
okay, okay.
That's it. Click OK. Okay. Okay. Now open a command prompt and type maven-version. Enter. So it is since this session was opened, this terminal was opened in the past. You have to open another session. Maven space hyphen version. Enter. Okay. Echo ECHO percentage
Could you come again?
ECHO echo space percentage all caps PATH path path. Yeah, percentage again. Enter. Click on the enter button. Now see if Java_home is visible in this. Okay. Now the same echo command and type in the variable name as Java_home. Java_home underscore home. All right. So that bin is still available. Okay. Let's go see where it is available and edit that to remove that variable, that bin name. So go back to environment variables. Select environment variables and
I have given even here
that setting. Delete that.
in
On
user.
variables, click on delete button and click on OK button. Now close the terminal and reopen another terminal. So that maven command is working. Now it is working. Let's move to my GitHub repo and do a clone again. You have Tortoise Git installed on your machine? Tortoise Git.
What, sir?
Tortoise Git Git.
No, sir, not installed.
Okay. Then open that folder path. Code to block. Maven Excel. That one. Language Java Master. Now open this in command prompt. This folder in command prompt. MVN space package. MVN space package. EACKAGE. Enter. So Maven is a dependency management system or a tool using which the dependencies are controlled by using a pom.xml file. I have declared the dependencies. Now this Maven tool is now going to the internet and downloading all the files onto local system. It will finally create a jar file along with running the test cases. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now that jar file has been created, all the necessary dependencies are available. Let's go to Eclipse again. Click on File, New. So File, New, Other. Type Maven, Maven. So remove that existing project. Click on Cancel. Cancel. So Eclipse plugin is installed on your Maven plugin is installed on your Eclipse toolkit. That is what I verified now. So click on that Maven merge Excel project and delete it. Remove it from your workspace.
In workspace, or can I delete it from here?
Delete it. Click on delete button. It will ask should I delete also the files. Uncheck the button and click OK. Uncheck and OK. Continue. Right click on the white canvas and say import uh, Maven. Just Maven. So next, select that folder that is download the language. On that finish button. Expand Java. Expand.
Your voice is not clear.
I'm hearing lots of background noise. Is some TV running in the background?
Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, is that better now?
Yeah, it is. Click on app.java. App.java. So here it is saying the Lombok expression or plugin saying called as log is not available. So this is a concept called as aspect oriented programming, AOP. So for this we will have to download the Lombok plugin. Go to Chrome browser and type LOMBOK. Lombok, LOMBOK. LOMBOK. MBOK. Yeah. Maven dependency or something. Just enter it. Select that first result. Fine. Adding, scroll down to the section where it says Eclipse downloading the Lombok Maven plugin. Wait. There should be something called as IDE on this page. On the top, do you see any section called as Eclipse or IDE or IntelliJ?
Here there are few in under install.
Click on ECG. No, IDE, select Eclipse. Under IDE, select Eclipse. So they are giving instructions on how to install the new software. So from scroll down. Now you'll have to follow these steps and install the Lombok software or the plugin. Go to Eclipse and click on Help. Next, install new software. Search for Lombok, LOMBOK. Oh no, select, let's go back to that web page and see what the URL is. The URL is lombok.org/p2. Copy that URL and click on the add button. Add. Yes. Next, remove that last character, colon. Now press enter. Now it is searching for the plugin on the internet. It will show Lombok. Once it shows the Lombok, you'll have to select that and click on next.
Could you kindly provide information why this Lombok is used for?
Go back to the website called Lombok. Yeah, go to the main page. So Lombok is what a Java library that is used to that uses annotations to help developers. So instead of creating a logger for each and every class, you only have to add at the rate log as the annotation. Instead of creating getters and setters, you'll only have to add an annotation for it, and those methods will be
Oh,
created by default. So it will give
okay,
you some helper utilities.
okay. And you are from?
Bangalore.
Okay.
Are you studying engineering now?
No,
BTech?
BSc.
What's your subject? Your primary subject? Is it computer science?
Uh, yeah, computers and mathematics.
Okay. Click next. Accept. Finish. It is installing the software. After it is done installing, it will show a pop-up. You'll have to restart some this toolkit, and then the error will go away. Wait for the install to complete.
Should I check this?
Wait, do you trust the certificates? Yeah, check it and then click on accept. Click on restart now.
Yeah, this got restarted.
Okay, so the error is still there. Go to click on problems. That is the view called problems. The logic cannot be found. Mm, Close this file. Close the project and reopen that project.
Shall
Right
I
click
do?
and say close. Close project. Right below refresh. Below refresh, there was a button called close project. Click on that button. Now there is a gone away. Now open that project again. Errors have been resolved. Now click on app.java and run this project. Right click, run. Java application. So here you are seeing that log4j has been used as a logger and hello world is getting printed.
Yeah.
Instead of just printing hello world in a system out, it is actually giving you the time information, the thread information, the logger level, and also the package name and the class name. Okay. And then
Okay.
telling you that it is hello world. Now go to excel sheet.java. So this is the code for Excel sheet merge. So scroll down and see if there is a main function. Scroll up. So here there is suppress warnings and few other things. Go back to my video and see how do I ask. Okay. I now understand. Go to app.java and copy this method. Uh, so say new Excel file, new Excel sheet on line number 12.
Okay.
Add a new line by clicking on enter button and type new space Excel sheet. It's the name of the class, Excel sheet. Press Control space and it will auto populate. So dot copy not that one. Go back to the other Excel sheet, the other class called Excel sheet. Let's see how it is built. This was built long time ago, so I don't remember the steps. So there is a method called copy and there is information from sheet 1 and sheet 2. Scroll down. Change that private method on line number 63 to a
Yeah.
public method. Yeah, public method. Private, change it to public. Okay, now go back to the previous page. Yes, and type copy, control space. No, no, no. What is the full name of that method? Copy and paste it here. Excel sheet. Copy code. So it is scroll down on line number 63. It is not copy, it is code. So copy this method. Yeah, and paste it in that other page. Semicolon. Save. Press control. No, on line number 11, you have to type throws exception after ARGS and close the bracket. Yeah. There you have to say add throws declaration, THROWS space exception, capital E exception. EXCEPTION. Control S and run this project now. Hold on. Why is it showing error? Change visibility of the copied to package. The method is not visible. Did you save the previous Excel sheet after making the public, the method into a public? Okay. All right. Run as Java application. Now what is the error? File not found. C/input dot. Did you make modifications to my code?
No.
Okay. Then place a file called input.xl in C drive.
I don't remember which the file.
Go back to that Excel sheet.java line number 65. So here is the file path. I think you have modified line number 63, 64. I don't remember typing in C/input.xls.
I haven't modified any of the code.
Go to my GitHub repo. Go to that project, Excel. Main, Java, Excel sheet, program. Oh, it is still the same. Okay. Now expand the test folder.
In GitHub. Okay.
No, on your Eclipse. TESTS. Source main test. Yeah, app test. So here are some test cases for app project. Right click on this and execute the test case. Right click, run as JUnit test. Allow access. And we made some modifications to app test. So they all are working properly. Let's revert the changes made to app test. App.java. Comment the line 13. Control Shift C. Save the changes. Go back to app test. Run it once again. Now go to the second test file, that is sandbox test. Switch to Package Explorer. Now sandbox test. There are multiple tests in this. So select the first test on line number 15. Click on line number 15. Select that should merge Excel, that method name. Now right click and say run JUnit test. Correct. So this has merged contents and created 15th August 2020.excel file. So delete that Excel file and rerun that code, and you will see that the file has been generated again.
This one?
Correct. Delete it. Rerun the project, rerun that test unit, test case, run as JUnit test. Okay. Now switch back to Project Explorer, refresh that resources folder, right click on resources and say refresh. Resources, refresh. Okay. So that file is getting generated. That code is getting executed. Open that 15th August file and view it in Excel. Here it has multiple rows and columns, which is a combination of two different fields.
Okay. Now, if I want my data to get merged, in which all places should I make the changes?
So here the two files are line number 16 and 17. So dhoni.excel file and raina.excel file are getting merged.
Okay, and they are getting saved to this 15th August 2020.
Correct.
Yeah, so if I change this file names, it will be enough, right? Okay, thank you so much. Can I make any modifications and try it now?
Yeah, sure, go ahead. This code is available as open source on GitHub, so you're allowed to make modifications. You don't need my permission for that.
Okay.
All right. That's it from me.
Yeah.
Bye.